Shanghai Longjoin's JL-207 and JL-217 photocontrols provide reliable smart outdoor lighting. A Q&A guide helps select the best fit. What makes photocontrols vital for smart outdoor lighting? The JL-207 and JL-217 Photocells automate streetlights, saving energy and enhancing safety with models tailored to specific needs. What are the JL-207 and JL-217 photocontrols? JL-207 and JL-217 Photocells meet ANSI and UL standards, ensuring safety and compatibility for various applications. JL-207, built for customization and high loads. The JL-207 is a versatile photocell with customization options and high power handling for demanding projects. JL-217, designed for scale and surge safety. The JL-217 suits large-scale projects like government and utility applications with robust surge protection and cost efficiency. How do their technical specifications compare? The JL-207 offers customization, while the JL-217 excels in protection and consistency. Compare specs to find the best fit. What are their surge protection capabilities? Surge protection shields outdoor lighting from lightning strikes and power fluctuations, ensuring reliability and longevity. Why surge protection matters? The JL-217 photocell safeguards itself and LED drivers from power surges and lightning, preventing damage. JL-217 surge protection. The JL-217 series offers 20 kV/10 kA surge protection, ideal for lightning-prone areas, safeguarding lighting systems. JL-207 surge protection. The JL-207 suits areas with minimal power spikes, while the JL-217's robust surge protection is ideal for storm-prone areas. Which photocontrol works best for your application? Choose JL-207 for custom or high-power needs, and JL-217 for cost-effective surge protection in large-scale lighting. What are the key advantages and limitations of each series? The JL-207 offers customizable sensors and housing, supports higher loads, but is pricier with limited surge protection. JL-217, pros and cons. JL-217 provides robust surge protection and cost-effectiveness for large projects, but lacks customization options. How do you choose the right photocontrol for your project? JL-207 and JL-217 models fit NEMA 7-pin receptacles and smart lighting systems for versatile network integration. Choose JL-207 for customization and high load capacity, or JL-217 for cost-effective bulk orders with surge protection.